It's just a crazy world we're living in, man. All these ex-vegans, you know, I saw this coming. I saw this coming, I don't know, maybe 3 years ago. You know, I see all this momentum, all this compassion. The vegan movement is growing so much. I mean, there are millions of vegans on the planet now. I remember when I first started, man, 11 years ago into, you know, getting into all of this, nobody was vegan. All the YouTube drama was, there was no drama on YouTube. Nobody was vegan. That word wasn't even popular at all. Now, it is like the most popular thing to go ex-vegan. It's just crazy. So, all right guys, in this video, I want to just talk about this, you know, ex-vegan drama, this silliness that's going on with all these people, you know, like Tim Sheep, Bobby's Perspective, Bonnie Rebecca, I don't know, Steve-O going ex-vegan. I mean, you know, this is bound to happen, okay? And I just want to tell you guys right now, all these people were never vegan in the first place, okay? If you're vegan, you're about compassion. You're about health. You're about the ultimate thing to bring energy, to bring more happiness and joy into your life. And I don't know about you, but you know, death, killing animals, you know, that's the exact opposite thing of happiness and joy. All of these sentient beings want to be alive. Nobody on this earth, plants, animals, insects included, they don't want to lose their life. They want to be here just like you and me and flourish and thrive and enjoy this place that we call Earth. Okay, and I'm telling you, it's silly. All of this stuff is very silly. The health issues are completely, you know, they're not understanding detox, they're not understanding the human body, and then as well as our modern age. In 2019, we have so many things going on that is extremely different than, you know, what we were living as a human race in the past. So I want to talk about veganism from my experience and why it is still, why the vegan diet will forever and always be the #1 optimal diet for all human beings on planet Earth. I remember the very first day when I started only eating fruits and vegetables, I started getting energy. I started getting more energy every single day. And that was 11 years ago. And you know what? I still have yet to stop gaining energy from eating the most natural diet on earth, fruits and vegetables. Honestly, it's really crazy that I have to record this video right now and talk about just the power of fruits and vegetables. I mean, it's one thing, you know, from my experience as like a farmer and growing and doing all kinds of things and traveling and, you know, Hawaii, Alaska, California. I've been all over and I've seen a lot of farms and I know how the food is being grown and I understand why people, you know, say things like veganism failed me and blah, blah. Has nothing to do with your health, first of all. Has nothing to do with what you know, make that choice becoming vegan in the first place, okay? A lot of these people, including Steve-O, all these people, you know, they've made a lot of public posts, videos, and, you know, ebooks even, putting content out there every single day about compassion and health. And guess what? Ex-veganism, eating meat, has nothing to do with compassion or health. Now, the vibrancy of this food will never change, okay? You gotta understand the energy, okay? This is alive. This is living food, okay? This can be measured, okay? And it has prana, okay? In yoga, we call this prana, life force energy. The goal is to get as much energy into your body by eating ripe, tree-ripened fruits and vegetables, okay? It's 2019, people. We're not living those caveman times anymore. We're not going around hunting some mammoth with a stick and then, you know, consuming all this raw meat and flesh. Those days are over, okay? Join 2019. Come up to speed, people. When you have abundance of fruits and vegetables like you do now in 2019, there is no excuses. Seriously, no excuses not to be eating fruits and vegetables every single day for the majority of your calories. Everybody, okay? That's whether you're vegan or not. Now, if you're, you know, on the Infinite Cup, if you're here, especially since the beginning, you understand what veganism is about. This is about energy. This is about cultivating a life. This is about purifying your temple, okay? Now, really just ask yourself that. Do you really think that meat and blood and all those things can purify your temple? I mean, it's just not possible, okay? And a lot of these people are doing it, you know, to be honest, strictly for views and boredom, okay? If you're in veganism for the long haul, the thought of eating meat disgusts me. The thought of seeing a dead animal or even thinking about the harm that, like, I would have to pay somebody else to go kill an animal for me, for my own selfish reasons, just to consume it for energy. Okay, this is where it's all backwards, okay? And a lot of these people, the sad part is they're not even hunting or fishing themselves, right? They're eating salmon, all right? Because you know they feel guilty. You know they feel guilt on some level because they are not literally killing that animal for themselves and eating the flesh, okay? That should be proof. Someone like myself, I've been in Alaska, I've traveled all over. I know real self-subsistence life people, right? They live, they hunt, they don't know what cows taste like. They don't know what farmed fish tastes like because they only live off of the salmon that they catch and the, you know, animals that they hunt. Do I love them just as much as I love all of you? Yes. Why? Because the power of fruits and vegetables have transformed my life. I feel alive. I feel so vibrant on fruits and vegetables. Why would I go for anything else? Why would I lower my vibration by consuming animal flesh? That just makes no sense to me. Again, I have no judgment towards these people too. This is not a hate video. This is not a drama video. This is education. This is about power of living foods. This is the power of fruit, okay? I eat a very high fruit diet. I love fruits and vegetables. This is my passion. You guys have to be excited about this. This is something that you need to follow your heart. If you're not excited about fruits and vegetables, you need to find a fruit or vegetable that gets you excited. You need to travel, go to Asia, eat some durian, have some exotic fruit that you've never had before. You need to get those taste buds alive, okay? The dopamine response from meat is what's controlling these people. The dopamine response that you get in the lower chakras that you activate through eating blood and getting blood in your veins, it literally turns your consciousness. It changes you as a person. Now, again, this is no judgment. You are what you eat. Now, for myself, I want sattvic food. I want food that is gonna purify my temple, because that is my intention every single day on planet Earth, to purify my being and help others. That is my sole intention. And I know through my own experience that fruits and vegetables have changed my life. Healing irritable bowel syndrome, healing all my gut issues. My mental fog has gone away. I could go on and on and on about the endless benefits of fruits and vegetables. And you guys need to understand the power of the food and the energy connection. Make that connection right now. This is pure energy. In yoga, we call this prana, life force energy. I put this into my body, I assimilate it as quickly as I can. That's another thing, guys. When you have meat, it sits in your gut for 3 days. All right? Our digestive tract is not capable of assimilating meat, flesh, blood very quickly. It has to sit and process. So what does your body do? It has to match that energetic frequency of whatever you put inside your body. This is a very vibrant orange. My energetic signature of my body has to match this orange when I consume it. And that's what makes me feel alive. That's what makes me feel awake, all right? Now, for someone consuming the majority of flesh, where do you think that energy is gonna go? Where do you think the chakras, what chakras do you think are gonna get activated when you eat those products? To be honest, a lot of people, I'd say the majority of people on planet Earth right now are simply living by the first and second chakra. They're living in survival and procreation, and that's it. They never get to their power creative center. They never get to love unconditionally, the power of love. They never get to speak their truth to others and activate these higher consciousness that is available to us right now. So please be mindful about that. Everything you consume, water, the air you breathe, everything affects your energy. So what type of energy are you trying to create in this life? Thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch this video. I really appreciate it. Thank you all for just taking the time to subscribe to the channel as well. I know you guys could be doing anything right now, and I really feel the love from you guys. Big shout out to all my Patreon subscribers. Thank you. I really, really appreciate your support. And I'm excited to connect with you guys. In the description below is the Infinite Cup discount code for the Canada Fruit Festival. I'm gonna be teaching yoga. I'm gonna be doing some workshops. We're all gonna be there. It's gonna be epic, guys. We're gonna have a digital, let's make this connection go from digital to real life. I wanna connect with you guys. I wanna see you there. So let's go. Use the Infinite Cup discount code, save some money. The prices go up every single month, all the way until August. If you guys wanna, do some yoga, meet other vegans, there are gonna be over 500 vegans there, okay? Connect with like-minded individuals. This is the most powerful thing you can do to actually stay on track with this diet and this lifestyle. it's not for everybody. This is for people that about compassion, for health, for saving the planet, saving the animals, and contributing to a higher purpose. So I hope to see you guys there. Use the Infinite Cup discount code right here in the description below when you buy your tickets for the Canada Fruit Festival. And we'll check you guys later. Much love.